Washide.
3 utility companies are now being sued for responsibility in the Holiday Farm fire of 2020. More than 173,000 acres burned and more than 700 homes were damaged or destroyed. But no one has taken the blame yet. In our report update tonight, KZI 9 News reporter Jennifer Singh shows us how alleged new evidence gave the lawsuit momentum.
More than 3 years after the Holiday Farm fire of 2020, victims continued to rebuild and get back to their normal lives. And there's evidence that that fire that was tackled as one set of flames was actually 2 fires that merged together.
4 law firms in Oregon and California have collectively filed suit against EWEB, Lane Electric, as well as Bonneville Power Administration, claiming all 3 utility companies neglected to prepare electrical operations and equipment prior to the wildfire. Alex Robinson, one of the legal representatives in the lawsuit, tells me they have already been taking legal action in Lane County against EWEB and Lane Electric for negligence around power lines and other hazards for 3 years.
It wasn't until the end of last year that we discovered new evidence that pointed to Bonneville Power Administration sparking a second fire Labor Day of 2020. And that second fire merged with what was called the Holiday Farm fire to turn into a huge conflagration.
And now they are taking all 3 utilities to federal court, representing nearly 240 victims and seeking $232 million in damages.
Because under federal law, they're a federal agency, we can only sue Bonneville Power in federal court. It meant that we had to dismiss our state court claims, and all of us are now importing that case into federal court to be able to join Bonneville Power.
Robinson tells me it took this long because of extreme delays in record requests and lack of transparency from the Forest Service.
This case is an outlier in that it's gone so long. And we don't have an official report from the U.S. Forest Service yet. And Bonneville Power played hide the ball with us for so long. So it's really unfortunate because it's almost like victimizing our clients a second time.
I reached out to the 3 utility companies for comment. EWEB and Lane Electric both wrote in a statement that they cannot make comments at this time. And I'm waiting to hear back from Bonneville Power Administration.
Coming up on KZI 9 News at 5, I talked to people who've been waiting a long time for this lawsuit to be filed. I'll show you how it won't compensate for everything they've lost, but it will give them some closure. Reporting in Eugene, Jennifer Singh, KZI 9 News.